Hello there, and welcome to your yoga space. I feel that sooner or later every one of us faces sleep issues, and therefore I want to share you 5+1 tips, that is optional, to help you get your proper night sleep. Let's get started. So number 1 is to get your right sleep cycle, and this means we often read that we have to maintain a 7-8 hours sleep per night every night to get this proper night cycle. But in fact, some of us wake up at 5 a.m. and go to sleep every night and they feel totally fine. So it's different for all of us. What I advise you is to keep track of your night sleep on a piece of paper or on a journal maybe, and try to go to sleep and wake up at different times of the day and the night. So for example, I used to go to sleep at 10 p.m. and wake up at 6 a.m. Therefore this means that I get 8 hours of sleep every night. This doesn't mean that I actually sleep well. So try it and give me some comments below maybe to tell me how it went. And I want to mention one more thing. Sleep is influenced by blue light. So if you, for example, use your phone while in bed, it's unlikely you get to sleep 5 minutes later. Get rid of your phone. Maybe you can place it on your bedside table. It's fine, totally fine. But I wouldn't advise to use it 1 hour before sleep, at least. And at this point we'll come back later. But let's keep going. Number 2 is to get everything done. This may be close your blinders, so you don't have to get up at 6 a.m. to close them because the light enters and you're a lazy sleeper and you won't get back to sleep. Get your clothes prepared for the next morning. Or for example, get your kitchen tidy, get your bedroom tidy before going to sleep. This way, when you wake up, you will find a tidy home, and this will help you get back to sleep the following night. Point number 3 is to get some exercise. If you do light exercises like light aerobic or even just walk, I advise you to do that at least 2 to 1 hours before you get to sleep. Otherwise, the endorphins stimulated by these exercises will keep you awake, and therefore you won't get your proper night's sleep. Or you can totally do yoga nidra or yoga in the bed. I link here and down in the description down below some exercises to do before bed, right before you turn the lights off and you get yourself to sleep. Point number 4 is to actually use your brain the right way. So if you use your bed to rest in between tasks of work, if you work at home, like many of us do in this time, and you use your bed to relax between one shift of work and another, you won't likely get very well to sleep in the night. One advice I can give you is to use your bed just to sleep and for love. Just these 2 things. Use your sofa maybe to rest, or your chair, your kitchen chair works too, to relax and to unwind, and then get back to work. This way you'll associate your bed and your bedroom also only to sleep and love, hopefully. And the 5th and the final tip is to get supplements. You want to get natural supplements like herbs, like chamomile and many other herbs to get yourself to sleep. If it doesn't work, you can also listen to relaxation videos on your phone. There are actually some great ASMR. I don't know if you have heard of it before, but I link it down below. There are some great ASMR channels for you to check, and I link them up here or down here. And the last and final tip I have for you is to read or to journal. It doesn't have to be a complicated book, or it doesn't have to a work-related book also, but the activity of reading while we are lying down actually helps us going into the mood for sleep. And if you want to journal, you can journal about anything, but always do it in your bed and with only your bedside table lamp on. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if you have some other tips, some other helpful guidelines to help you and us sleep, write them in the comments down below. And I'll see you next time. Ciao!